Hello everyone and welcome to the Big Six lesson. My name is Yvonne Cook and I am your librarian. The purpose of this lesson is to show you the steps in the Big Six process. It is used to conduct research or solve information problems. There are 4 standards that we are going to be combining with this activity. The state standard is strand 7, which is 13C, which says that we will identify and gather relevant information from a variety of sources. The Common Core standard is standard number 8 in writing, and it says that we will recall information from experiences or gather information from provided sources to answer a question. The ISTE standards 3A says that students plan and employ effective research strategies to locate information and other resources for their intellectual or creative pursuits. And the last one is the AASL standard, which is A.1.1, and that is to formulate questions about a personal interest or curricular topic. So what is the Big Six? The Big Six consist of 6 research steps that are used to solve an information problem. You will use these skills to guide you through the process from the beginning to the end. There is a pre-assessment that you will take. It is on Blend Space. It consists of 5 questions. This just lets your teacher and I know how much you already know, and it's not graded, so don't worry about that. So we are going to learn about the Big Six process. You're going to take the assessment and watch the video that is on Blend Space.